Hi, my name is Serge and I am the founder of the manufacturer Armin Strom. Today I'd like to present to you our beauty, which is also the beast, and it's Armin Strom's second masterpiece. It's the minute repeater Resonance. This is my favorite masterpiece because we achieved something very interesting at Armin Strom. It's the world's first minute repeater using the phenomenon of resonance. So let me show you the details. It was always a dream of mine to create our own minute repeater. I grew up in Bern, and in Bern we have the world famous Zeitglocke clock tower, which you can see in the back. Already as a child I was very impressed by it. I went there to hear the chiming of that clock. Lucky enough, we could present our own chiming watch for the 10th anniversary of the manufacturer Armin Strom. I remember when we finished the assembling of the first timepiece and we could all hear its beautiful sound for the first time. The titanium case definitely helps to make it loud and clear. The decoration of the masterpiece is definitely outstanding. The hammers are mirror polished, and of course at Armin Strom we had to put the minute repeater to the front side, so you can see the gongs, the three-dimensional gongs and the hammers from the front. By combining this with our resonance movement, you can have all of these usually hidden complications playing there directly on your wrist. It's not just the front, the backside is beautifully made as well. Despite all of these amazing features, it's still the sound which brings back my childhood memories. Now let me play it for you. I hope you could not only see but also hear why this is my favorite masterpiece.